Start with the head. With these, they're not easy to take the brush bar out of, and as you can see, this thing is clogged up and the brush bar is absolutely full of hair. So what you've got to do with these, get yourself a Phillips screwdriver, undo the 3 screws on the end. Going to make sure this is clean, a bit like the Dysons, make sure there's nothing clogged up in here, give that a clean out. Then you can get the brush bar out. So it's just on a slide, and I can be honest, I don't think this brush bar has ever been cleaned. Obviously somebody had long blonde hair. I'd be amazed if this was even doing anything. So, good pair of sharp scissors, and just, this is how you clean the brush bar on a Vax blade. So this will definitely help with the pickup on this. Oh, goodness me, I think they've lost a whole head of hair, to be honest with you. Look at the amount of hair in here. That is by far, look at that, that's by far one of the worst brush bars I've ever seen. Make a wig, sell it. Look at the difference there, night and day. So you clean the brush bar, quick and easy. I'm just going to make sure the end's cleaned out in a second. Oh my word. What a difference. Things brand new underneath like that. My word. Right. A pick. Clean out in the ends. Just where the bearing is. Just make sure there's no hair. It's all clean and clear. Right, so that's it. Right. Brush bar back in. And cover plate back on. Three screws. Not sure why Vax decided to put screws in here to stop you from getting to the brush bar. Bump. Alright, there you go. Completely unblocked brush bar. You can always chuck it back on. That's the filter housing. Put the filter housing cover back on. Give it a try.